As always, please retry the question before watching the video. There's only one thing you need to know to be able to answer this question. If you don't know the answer, please add it to your cheat sheet, master it, and go back 5 before continuing in the video. If it can be done without a comma, the answer is it must be done without a comma. It must be done without a comma. So what we recommend when you approach clause questions in general is that your first read of it, you should read it without any of the punctuation that they have in place, because you just want to decide for yourself where the punctuation should go. And that will make many of these questions much easier. So let's just read this one to be able to see where punctuation should go. So we're going to start from the beginning of the sentence. This one looked especially bright today. So as you will see, I did not read that parenthetical because we recommend not reading parentheticals when involved in a clause. So this one looked especially bright today. The sun's reflection off the snow working some magic with the colors. All right, so we can see when we read that without any of the punctuation that we did not pause between snow and working. Therefore, that is a great indicator that there should not be a comma there. And so we can eliminate A because that's punctuation in the middle of a clause. We can eliminate B because that's also going to be punctuation in the middle of the clause. We can eliminate C again because of punctuation in the middle of a clause. The only answer that doesn't have punctuation in the middle of the clause is going to be answer D. So very simple if you use the process of asking yourself, can it be done without a comma? And one great way to do that is just read the sentences first without any punctuation to see if it can be done without a comma. If this made sense to you, please add it to your worksheet. Write what you learned along with the answer on the explanation side, and then continue on to do the remaining clause 1 questions that you missed on this test. If this is the final clause 1 question that you missed on this test, please go ahead and do the clause 1 mastery until you get 10 questions correct in a row before moving on to the next category.